Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we will learn how to create Java program for finding Armstrong numbers between 1 to 1000 numbers. So first of all we need to know what is Armstrong numbers. So if we separate the digit from number and add their cubes, and we will get same number as that of the input number, so it is called as Armstrong number. So let us check it with example. We will take one number and we will take 153 and we will separate their digits like this. Look, 1, 5 and 3. After this we will add their cubes. So like this, 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. So we will get this. Cube of 1 is 1, cube of 5 is 125 and cube of 3 is 27. After adding this we will get 153, which is same as that of the input number. So it is called as Armstrong number. So let us start programming. This is our Java project. Within this is source folder and this is Java package. So to know how to create this project and packages, you can watch my previous video. Link is shared in description box. Now right click on this package, go to new and create class, which is our Java class. Here we can give any name. I am giving name as Armstrong number as we are finding Armstrong number. And don't give .java extension over here. And click here to include main method in our program. Now say finish. So this is our Java program and we can start programming from here within the main method. So first of all we need to initialize our variables. For that I am taking int r for storing remainder and n for storing number. Now after this we will take for loop for providing range. So for int I is equals to 1, I starts from 1, I is less than equals to 1000, that is it is ends to 1000 and I plus plus incrementation. Within this for loop we will store this I into number n. Now we will initialize summation to 0. So int sum is equals to 0. After this we have to take while loop. While n is greater than 0. So until our number string is greater than 0, we have to perform this operation. So first of all we have to find out remainder. So r is equals to n mod 10. By doing this we will separate last digit from the number string and store it into remainder. Now after this we will take sum is equals to sum plus r into r, that means cube of r. So initially sum is equals to 0, so our sum is 0 initially. Then so by doing this r mod n mod 10 we will separate the last digit. Suppose our number string is 1 2 3 and by doing n mod 3 we will separate 3 and store it into r as it is last digit. Now here we will make cube of 3 and add into sum, which is initially 0. Now n is equals to n divided by 10. By doing this we will eliminate the last digit from number string. Now our number string is become 1 2 instead of 1 2 3, which is still greater than 0. So it will come here and it will separate the last digit by n mod 10, which is now 2, and store it into r. And here it will perform cube of 2 and add it into our previous sum now. And by doing n is equals to n mod 10, it will eliminate 2 and now our number string is 1, which is still greater than 0. So it will perform same operation for 1. Now it will store 1 into r remainder, then cube of 1, which is 1, added to our previous sum. By doing n is equals to n divided by 10, we will eliminate 1. Now our number string is become 0, which is no more greater than 0. So loop will exit and it will come out of the loop. And now it will check for the condition, that is if I is equals to sum, then it will print by syso control space, that is system.out.println, which is our output statement. Here it will print I. So if I is equals to sum, that means number is Armstrong number. So we need to print that number. So we can save our program with Control S. Now go here and run program, and we can see our output from control panel. So here these are our outputs, and these are 5 Armstrong number between 1 to 1000 number. So we can also remember it, and it is the easy program for creating Armstrong number using Java language. And if you have any difficulty, you can ask me through comment box. And that's all about today, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.